Good day to everyone. So today I'll be unpacking a new book, The Planet Hulk Omnibus. In case you do not follow Marvel's line of stories, you probably do not know that this is the book that follows right after the Civil War, and it's this precursor to the Hulk World War. I've not read either of those stories, but I've heard very good reviews about this one, so I decided to get this. I do not know how it will turn out to be, so let's check it out. First off, this book is heavy. It's very heavy compared to normal books of this size. I would say this is about 3 times as heavy. So I'm guessing the paper quality of this is very good, but I cannot be very sure unless I open it up. So let's open it up. I got it for around how much? I think I got it around 1k. Although after I got it, no, I think it was 1100. Although after I got it, the price fell by 60 rupees. So that was a bummer, but I didn't cancel it since it takes too much time to ship anyways. I think it took about 2 to 3 weeks to ship because it's an international edition, so they ship directly from America. At least that's what they claim on their product page on Amazon. So this is very well packed. I guess for international deliveries it has to be very well packed for it to arrive successfully. Yeah, okay, it's finally out. So as you can see, it's pretty well packed. It's in a plastic cover, and yeah, it's very heavy. I mean, I think I cannot convey it through the video, but I would say it's as heavy as anything that would be as thick as this, at least 3 times. So on the back it gives the rest of the Hulk Omnibi, I think, Planet Hulk, and then this. No, this is, I think, the number of the books that are contained in this. It's the whole Planet Hulk series. It consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15 books. And at least the price is $14.99, Marvel.com and so on. The story, as far as I know roughly, and I haven't read the synopsis, I just had a glimpse on the story so that I know what I was buying. So the story is that Hulk is shipped off to some other planet because he's deemed a threat to Earth, and that planet is supposed to be uninhabited, but it's later on found that it's inhabited and Hulk is enslaved. Ridiculous as that may sound, he's enslaved, and then he's forced to fight arena battles. Let's open it up. First off, the front cover shows Hulk with a mace and a shield, and some tentacles, I guess, attacking him. The back cover has the picture of all the TPBs in the series. There are 15, and it says here, after being caught in the explosion of the first gamma bomb, Dr. Bruce Banner finds himself transformed during or whatever. That's Hulk. Betrayed by his friends, banished from his home to the depths of space, Hulk finds himself alone on a planet, so on and so forth. Collecting Incredible Hulk 92 till 105, Planet Hulk and Planet Hulk Gladiators Guidebook, written by popular comic scribe Greg Pak. World War Hulk and Extreme X-Men, illustrated by Carlo Pagulayan, Invincible Iron Man, Elektra, and Aaron Lopresti. Amazing Spider-Man and Excalibur. Frankly, I do not know about most of these illustrators and writers except for Greg Pak. I have read a few works by him, so let's check out what the inside holds. Okay, as you can see, there's a picture of Hulk in his all glory at the very front page. I won't give away the story, so I'll not discuss that. But the artwork seems pretty standard Marvel, which is very good actually. I mean, it's not that I prefer DC or Marvel or anything. I do not want to spark a war here, but I like both. I basically love anything that has a good story in it. So okay, let's check out how much I paid for it. Okay, I paid $11.82 for it, which I had a discount coupon of 100 or something, so I paid around 1100, I guess. Yeah, the artwork is pretty cool. I do not know how I like the story, so I cannot really tell beforehand whether I want to recommend it or not, but for people who follow the timeline, I've heard that it's a very good story, so I'll be looking forward to it. For any questions or any suggestions that you may have, feel free to comment on the comment below, and if you like this video, feel free to give it a like, and do subscribe if you want more videos from me. I keep uploading them as they come, and if you have any requests for any specific books, please feel free to tell me. Thank you. Happy reading.